Hello there friends, welcome to my channel, This Kitchen Rendezvous. And if it is your first time stopping by, a warm welcome to you. And if you are new subscribers, please, thank you so much for joining us. And I really appreciate it. Thank you and may God bless you all. Without further ado, let's start cooking with Dee. Okay, my loves, we are not going to complicate this. Simple and easy, just following my mama's recipe here. With that being said, let's make a delicious Haitian chaka. What would you need? I am using chicken paws and some turkey meat. Our main ingredients to make the chaka, guys. Chaka is a type of soup, just letting you know. Combined with some broken corns, with some beans, along with some any type of meat of your choice. It is so delicious. It's a type of soup that you can either eat it for dinner, lunch, or any time of the day. Okay, my loves, as usual, I always clean my meat with lime juice, vinegar, and also salt. Now I am seasoning with my Haitian épices, adding some lime juice, adding some chicken bouillon, a little bit of oil, and then with the adobo powder. Give that a mix. Make sure all the ingredients combine with the chicken paws along with turkey meat. I did add a little bit of chili powder. I'm just showing you right now, guys. My apology. Along with cayenne pepper and with some black pepper. Now I'm adding a little bit of hot sauce and give that a mix. Make sure those chicken paws and your turkey meat well incorporate with the spices, guys. That soup is gonna be so delicious. As long as your meat are well marinated, your soup will be so delicious. You don't need to add any additional salt, any additional chicken bouillon. You guys will see I'm not going to add any additional salt or even chicken bouillon in my soup because I already well marinated my chicken paws. You can use any type of meat. Chaka is my husband's favorite soup to enjoy. He loves chaka, guys. By the way, I'm making this dish for him. That's his favorite dish right there. Okay, my loves, move along to the ingredients that I'm gonna be using. This is the corn we will be using, guys. I'll be using the whole bag, 14 ounce. It's a broken corn, and I'll be using 2 cups of chili beans or chili bean soup. It's a combination of different type of beans and I am going to use also one kale bunch, okay, as well some baby bok choy. We will not use all of the baby bok choy, and as well some butternut squash. I did not find the Haitian typically squash that we normally use for Haitian soup, but you can use any type of squash that you'll find out there if you're not close to find the best one. I'll be using some green leeks, some garlic, and as well some coconut milk and half of green cabbage, guys. Those are all the ingredients that I'm going to be using. I would love you guys to see the full recipe. Stay tuned and keep on watching. Thanks so much. Now that I have washed my beans along with my broken corns, they have been washed and ready to cook, guys. I will let my beans cook together with the corn for about at least 45 minutes or until tender. Then we'll move to the next step. This particular type of soup, you have to cook the butternut squash or any type of squash separately, and as well your meat separately. Once everything cooked together, then you can combine everything into your soup. Okay, guys, as you guys can see, my meat is cooking, then everything is pretty much done. I am checking it right now. As you guys can see, the chicken paws are falling off, and as well my turkey meat as well. So delicious, very easy. It's not require much effort, but you just need determination and as well patience. It always takes love to cook for yourself and for your family. I mean, if you don't have any patience, love, you will not cook. Yeah, you definitely need some love. When you're cooking, you make sure that you clean your meat, you make sure your food are well clean, are well washed, and then you'll be at ease and enjoy your food because it's clean and very well cooked. Okay guys, I just checked my beans and my corn. I see that they need a little bit of water for them to properly cooked. Then I'm going to go ahead and add 3.5 cups of water. Then after that, I'll let them cook for an extra 15 to 20 minutes. Then my beans and corn will be ready. Now I am adding the coconut milk. Give that a mix. Make sure guys always double check your food, okay? Double check, taste it, make sure this is your taste, the desired taste that you're looking for. Now I'm adding the kale along with the bok choy and the day soup right there as well. You can if you don't want to use meat, it can be meatless. If you don't like to use the green kale, the green cabbage, or any type of vegetables, you can skip them out, just only use the beans and the corn. Okay guys, it is optional. You can also use the butternut squash or any squash that you find. Okay guys, anything that you don't like to your food, even though you see someone do it that way, if you don't want this type of things, you don't have to add it. You don't eat chicken paws, don't add chicken paws. You don't eat turkey meat, don't add turkey meat. It is optional, it's your preference, but you're always welcome to use the same thing. Looks like my squash are done cooking. Next, I am going to smash them out and get all the soup out of it. And then make sure that you use what you have. I am using a potato smasher right now, but use what you have handy at home. Okay, guys? And as you guys will see next, I'm going to take a little bit of water from the cooking water. Do not use cold water. Do not use cold water. Okay guys, use a little bit as you go because you don't need that much juice out of it. Just make sure it's kind of like thick. You remove all the squash from the skin. Okay guys, do not use the skin. You're gonna go ahead and toss it out. It looks like my beans along with my corn done cooking. Next, I am going to add my meat along with the sauce. This is the sauce that you need, guys. This sauce right there, this is all you need because this is the main flavor sauce you ever taste in your life, guys. This sauce will take your soup to the next level. Yes, to the next level, guys. And give that a mix. Make sure the soup is well combined. Yes. Oh my goodness. This is chaka right there. Now I'm adding 1 habanero pepper. And now I am about to add my butternut squash liquid. Yes, my loves. Now go ahead and give that a mix. Make sure mix it well. The only thing you'll see me adding in the soup is only 1 Sazon packet, guys. That's the only thing I'll be adding, a little bit of butter. That's all. And voila, our delicious, amazing Haitian chaka. Chaka is so delicious and really good for you guys. Dinner is served. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.